Hello, this is Brandon Johnson. Some personal information about myself. This is my ninth year of teaching. All 9 years have been in Hayesville USD 261. My first 4 years of teaching, I worked as an in-school suspension room supervisor at Hayesville West Middle School. And then I am currently in my fifth year of teaching high school physical education at Campus High School. I also coach basketball and baseball at Campus High School. Some more about myself. I have been married for 10 years to my wife, Chantel. She's also an educator. We have two children. My son, Carter, is 7, and my daughter, Elliot, is 4. And in my spare time, I enjoy spending time with my family, watching sports, and taking my son fishing and being outdoors. Some of my educational background. I received my Bachelor of Arts in Physical Education K through 12 through Wichita State University in 2010, and I am currently working towards completing my master's through Fort Hays State University. Hopefully, I will have that done by the end of this year. Some of my personal goals within the next 5 years, I would like to take some time to enjoy the work that I have done, the hard work that I've done completing my master's program, focus on my family and friends, and spend some quality time with them. And then in the next 6 to 10 years, I would say personally, I would like to enjoy watching my kids grow into adults and soak up that time with them. And then beyond 10 years, hopefully I'm still in good health, and my wife and I could possibly start traveling and enjoy the benefits of our hard work throughout our career. Some of my professional goals in the next 1 to 5 years, I would like to complete all the required classes at FHSU. I would like to take the praxis exam and pass that test, and possibly find a job as a middle or high school assistant principal. In the next 6 to 10 years professionally, I would like to settle into a role as an assistant principal, and continue to network and be a lifelong learner in my profession. And then beyond 10 years, I would like to plan for retirement, make sure that all the finances are in order for that, and then possibly branch out of Kansas and maybe move to another state. Why did I personally choose FHSU? I think FHSU for me was the most flexible and cost-effective option. I believe that it fit well within my teaching and coaching schedule, and that was a big reason as to why I chose Fort Hays State. Some expectations of the program. The expectation that I have is hopefully that it prepares me to become a school administrator in the future. Anyways, this is Brandon Johnson. I want to thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.